hurt?
Not really. Ah! Ah! It's cold.
How does this happen?
Oh, it's coming down harder.
It just like explodes as soon as it hits your hand. That's weird.
Cold.
It is ice.
I love how my phone is waterproof.
Thank God that this is only hail.
Oh, it's rain right now.
Watch out! Ow, this hurts. Ow! Ow!
Ashley, go pick up a couple of these.
And it's cold out.
Get a small handful so I can get a picture of it.
Okay, I got food.
Yeah. I'm gonna go back inside. My feet are already cold.
Hold on. I want to get a picture. Come on, stop. I'm trying to stop this.
Mom, my hand is cold.
Alright, how do you stop a camera? You're going to have to pick up another bunch for me.
Your phone is frozen. Your phone is wet.
Will you pick up a bunch and not take a picture with your camera?